Hey, Vaidya here. Appium Python script which opens the Instagram application, scrolls to one particular post where there are 9 images totally. By default, it focuses on the second image, so it will scroll back to the first image. Starting from the first image, again it starts scrolling to 9 images. Instagram open, scrolls up a little bit so that arc.only is at the beginning, scrolls full, scroll up so that I am Sonali Bindre is at the top, scroll full, arc.only at the top, scrolls full, discovery gallery at the top, beginning of the page, scroll full, beginning Instagram. It continues till it gets the post where there are 9 images. The next one, arc.only, the next one, not this one. This has only 4 pictures. This is being executed on the Coolpad Note6 mobile phone. This one. Keep it at the beginning. Scroll back to the first image. This is the first image. From here, scroll to the right. Next image. Next image. Like that. It scrolls through all the images. 6th one, 7th one, 8th one, 9th one. The program executed successfully. Thank you.